Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything else, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the resignation of Education Minister Ruel Reid, and I'm also going to touch base on what's going on up at Reddles Road, Calabar, because for most of you who don't know, I am a Calabar old boy, full supporter of my old school, and I keep an eye on its improvements and its changes, whether I like them or I don't like them. So today's just an opinionated type vlog. I'm just going to say, first and foremost, I like the way things are going politically in Jamaica, where whistleblowers are concerned. I mean, despite which party is in power, if it's JLP in power, JLP is in power at the moment, and I like the fact that the People's National Party are like spying and keeping a close eye on everything and making sure that all the administratives are in order, are aligned with the Constitution, and everything is being legally executed. And when something doesn't go right, blow that whistle, call on the Prime Minister, let him know that, hey, that doesn't look right. So I am impressed with the improvement of Jamaica politically, because old school Jamaica here, I know when corruption in Jamaica was rife. I mean, I can sense, even though I don't live in Jamaica right now, I can still sense that corruption is there. Rife, but 80s and 90s Jamaica politics, corruption was rife. According to what I've seen on the news, Ruel Reid was asked by the Prime Minister to resign after allegation of corruption has proven to be true. And without a doubt, that's how it should be. Andrew Holness needs to clean house. You know, get rid of all of the people who is bringing the 1980s political mentality into the 2000s in Jamaica. The People's National Party and the opposition leader, I like what they're doing. Keep an eye on the Jamaican Labour Party. Anytime they step out of line, anytime they do anything that's in violation with a code of conduct or the Constitution of Jamaica, let Jamaica know. And the same, if and when the People's National Party become the leading party, that's pretty much what I would like to see the Jamaican Party reflect. Whistleblowing. If the People's National Party are not doing what they're supposed to do politically, legally, constitutionally, we're supposed to blow a whistle. Now, people are asking questions, which I think is ridiculous. People are asking questions like, should Ruel Reid be reinstated as a politician? Should Ruel Reid still be principal of Jamaica College? Should Ruel Reid still be a justice of the peace? Jamaican people, come on, listen to me, hear me. The answer to that is a big no. When a person is inducted into Parliament as a member of Parliament, that person has given a certain amount of trust to demonstrate a duty. And of all the position that Ruel Reid could be in, he was the Minister of Education. That means the children of Jamaica, the children of tomorrow, this is the person who is in charge of their education. This is the person who should be the key example to be demonstrating what these children should be about. And he's found to be corrupted. Get rid of him immediately. Should I say more? If you're going to get rid of him as the education minister, he cannot be the head of any education. He shouldn't even be allowed to be in any form of job that relates to educating people, unless he's doing it as a private entity. But if it's a public type thing, if it leans on the Jamaican government, no. And where justice of the peace is concerned, come on now, justice of the peace get a similar trust from mere citizens such as myself as a judge in a court. Put it like that. You know, in Jamaica, when we have to get a new passport and you need the back of your passport picture signed, it's usually a pastor, it's usually a police superintendent, a school principal, the justice of peace, people who the Jamaican government trust. Therefore, if Ruel Reid has violated that trust, he cannot legally maintain any of those statuses. Let's make that clear again, people. He cannot maintain any of those statuses. Me for one, upon face value, I actually liked Ruel Reid and what he was about. So when I actually heard the allegation and heard that the allegations were proven to be true, I was not only disappointed, but it was like getting a kick in the gut, because like I say, I kind of was leaning towards Ruel Reid. I favored his attitude, his appearance, his style. But there you go. Jamaican people always say, we can't judge a book by the cover. So where Ruel Reid is concerned, for me, it's out. Let him join the regular population of trying to find a job, or let's hope that he's got some money that he can justify and he can start some independent business of his own. So as far as what Ruel Reid's status is concerned, that is my opinion voice, and I knocked that one out of the courtyard. Now for Calabar, it's pretty much a similar thing. I am pro Calabar for the simple fact that I attended Calabar in the 80s. Now recently I had a few little comments on a video that I posted on this channel about Calabar, and there was one constructive commenter that we kind of exchange our opinions. You guys can check it out if you like. And I told that individual that I actually appreciate their comment, because they were let me know that, listen, I hear what you're saying about Calabar, but I agree with you to an extent. Calabar back in the 80s versus Calabar now is two different Calabar. And my response was pretty much you know what? I'm happy for that comment, because I had that suspicion, from following my school and its current development over, say, the last 10, 15 years. I can see that Calabar is a bit going downhill, where the kind of students that attend Calabar today versus their principle, their self-respect, and especially their respect for the institution. What I've seen on the news is that a track star from Calabar assaulted a teacher from Calabar. Straight away, that is transparent what needs to be done. It's a no-no to assault any teacher, any faculty member. It's a no-no. And if a student, track star or no track star, assaults a teacher, that is a violation of the institution's code, and that student should be penalized. That could actually be a criminal matter. And in penalizing that individual, it's gonna affect him suspension, expelled. So this shouldn't even be a debate. This shouldn't even be something where we even should be discussing. This kid who assaulted the teacher should immediately lose his privilege from running track, from even attending Calabar further, whether that's permanently by expel or temporary by suspension. But let me not be blindsided by my love for Calabar. Calabar had an attitude, and it had it when I attended it. You understand? It gave its track star, its sports star, a podium to stand on, and it let these pupils believe that they're larger than life. However, sometimes these school of Calabar statuses by these knucklehead kids, dunce kids, who are not really bright, but they're good in track and field, they're good in football, they're good in sports. And because Calabar takes a pride in history of bringing home the trophies, Calabar sometimes break moral rules, break moral guidelines. For example, now, my suspicion is that they're trying to break moral rules, that, yeah, we know that this kid was wrong, but at the same time, we kind of need him, because our trophies matter, our history, our position. They say most successful people or stroke institution, to accomplish greatness, we often sell our soul. So I'm telling Calabar to get it right. I mean, this is a long-standing semi-corruption that's been going on at Calabar High School. I am pro Calabar. I am green and black run through my vein. 61 Red Hills Road is where I take a lot of pride in, as far as one of my early educational institution, you know. So without even dragging on this topic too long, that's pretty much how I feel about the situation that's going on at Calabar. If a student violates the rules, crossing the line, physically assaulting a teacher, that kid should be suspended, expelled. A meeting should already took place. Parents should already sat down and discuss any penalization. So in the case that they probably need this kid to help bring home the trophy at champs, a suspension is applicable. But it cannot be just swept under the carpet and act like, well, it's okay for a student or track star to put their hands in teachers. And again, before I wrap up this vlog, for all Calabar students that's out there, whether you're from the hood or you're from uptown, Calabar is an institution that holds a higher reputation. And for the principal, vice principal, faculty members, student, everybody that is attached to Calabar at the moment, and children who are looking forward to attend that institution, respect the institution, respect its legacy, respect all of those successes that Calabar has produced, including myself. Okay, people, so that's pretty much what I have to say today. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comment. Don't be shy. You know, on this channel, I appreciate agreement, disagreement, thumbs up, thumbs down, because at the end of the day, my core belief is that each one teach one. Until next time, peace.